Hey friends, today we're talking a little bit about mass. So mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. The more mass an object has, the heavier it is. This table shows 2 units of mass in the metric system. We're going to be working on kilograms today and grams. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, and we can abbreviate them for short. Kilogram is kg and grams are Gs. It's important to use benchmarks to estimate mass. A paperclip has a mass of about 1 gram. A pair of sneakers has a mass of about 1 kilogram. So to measure the mass of an object, you can use a scale. Then below are some different examples of scales. You might see some of these that you have at home or that you've seen at the grocery store. Let's practice this example. Each mass on the right of the scale is worth 1 gram. So what is the mass of this ping pong ball? So I can see we're going to use a balance scale. We're going to experiment with gram masses until the trays are even. And so as you can see right here, the trays are even. That pointer is right there in the middle. So I can see that it is even. So I can count up the total amount of grams that I have here, and I have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 3 grams. So the ping pong ball is 3 grams. All right, if we were talking about this example, which is the better estimate for the mass of a laptop computer, 4 grams or 4 kilograms? So I would go ahead and underline laptop computer, and we're looking for an estimate, like our best guess, right? And we're talking about the mass, and we're choosing either grams or kilograms. And I remember that a gram is like a paperclip, and 1 kilogram is like a pair of sneakers. So we're going to compare. If I had 4 paper clips, would that be the same as a laptop? No, right? But if I had 4 pairs of sneakers, I would say that is probably close to being the mass of a laptop. So a laptop computer has a mass of about 4 kilograms. We could go ahead and answer our question just like we did at the solution at the bottom. Here's another example. Tyson, a Rottweiler, has a mass of 43 grams. Louie, a bulldog, is 18 kilograms lighter than Tyson. What is Lewis's mass in kilograms? So we're going to go ahead and circle those important numbers, underline those important words. Okay, and if it's lighter, then we're going to have to subtract because we're asking for Louie's mass in kilograms. Okay. So we have 43, and we take 18 away because that's how much lighter he is than Tyson. So we can't do 3 minus 8, so we have to go next door and get 10 more. That 4 becomes a 3. Take 1, 10, and give 10 ones. So instead of 3 ones, I now have 13. And let's subtract 13 minus 8 is 5, and 3 minus 1 is 2 to give me 25 kilograms. And we can abbreviate it just like that. Let's try this example. A cherry has a mass of 7 grams. Pat ate 9 cherries. How many grams of cherries did Pat eat in all? Well, I know that a cherry has a mass of 7 grams. But he didn't just eat 1, he ate 9. So what I'm going to have to do is multiply. 9 times 7, you can do your 9s trick where you put your 7th finger down and you have 6 fingers on one side, 3 fingers on the other to give us that 9 times 6 equals 63 grams of cherries that Pat ate. All right, friends, let's go ahead and practice this a little bit more tonight for homework, and we'll continue practicing the rest of the week as well.